Got an old couch taking up space in your garage? Or maybe a dishwasher that's seen better days sitting on your patio? If you live in the Township of Langley, you don't have to haul that heavy stuff to the dump yourself. Welcome back to Local Fellas, your go-to for making life in Metro Vancouver just a little bit easier. Today we're breaking down the Township's large item pickup program so you can clear the clutter without the headache. First things first, who can actually use this? This program is available to properties that currently receive municipal garbage collections. If your trash is picked up by the township, you're in luck. If you're in a building with private collection, unfortunately, you aren't eligible for this specific service. Here is the breakdown of the 4-item rule. Each eligible property can have up to 4 large items collected per calendar year. You can't just put your stuff on the curb and hope for the best. This is an appointment-only service. To get started, you'll need to book a request through the township. Once you submit your request, staff will review it, and you should receive a confirmation email with your scheduled pickup date within 2 business days. Pro tip from the Local Fellas. Make sure you add lipu@sierrawaste.ca to your approved sender list in your email so your confirmation doesn't end up in the spam folder. Now let's talk about the gotchas, because the township has some very specific rules on how items must be prepared. If you don't follow these, the truck will drive right past your pile. The mattress rule. This is the big one. You can only use 2 of your 4 annual spots for mattresses or box springs. Most importantly, they must be individually bagged or sealed in plastic. The township highly prefers actual mattress bags. If it's not sealed, they won't touch it. The fridge/freezer rule. If you're tossing a chest freezer or a refrigerator, all food must be removed. No one wants to haul away a freezer full of 2-year-old frozen peas. The barbecue rule. If you're getting rid of a grill, you must remove the charcoal briquettes and the propane tanks first. The rug rule. Thinking of tossing an area rug? It has a size limit. It cannot be larger than 5x8. What's not allowed? This is not for your home renovation debris. They will not take toilets, sinks, bathtubs, drywall, plumbing, or lumber. Also, keep your TVs, tires, car bodies or car parts, propane tanks, and household hazardous waste out of this pile. Those require different disposal methods. If you have an item and you're just not sure if it qualifies as accepted or not accepted, give the township a call at 604-530-3939 to inquire before you drag it to the curb. Getting rid of the big stuff doesn't have to be a mission. Just remember, book ahead, wrap those mattresses, and keep it under 4 items a year. Be sure to check the Township of Langley website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Local Fellas for more hyper-local tips across Metro Vancouver. We'll see you in the next one.